Welcome to ERP Business-SYS Limited, Tally Software's authorized solution partner in East Africa. In this video, I'll be taking you through our document attachment module. Day by day, everything is being computerized. This add-on allows you to attach documents to ledgers and also helps you keep your original documents attached with your voucher entry in Tally Prime, instead of piling them up physically. This module allows you to be organized, efficient, transparent, systematic. Reviewing and approving content is easier, and it's also legally required. With this module, you can easily attach customer documents to their ledgers. I will start by attaching my customer's PIN certificate to his ledger. For this, I'll go to Master Management, Alter, Ledger, Raj Shetty, Attach File, yes. I can enter what I want to name the document. And when I press enter, the documents window will open to select my file. I can attach multiple files, for example his ID as well. I can check the files from the right. There's a button of show document, and it will list the documents I have attached. When I press enter, the attached file will open. You can also attach files to a voucher. I already have my purchase done. Purchase register. I will select the purchase I want to attach the document with. Attach file. I can write what I want to name the document, and automatically the documents window will open to choose from. I can attach multiple documents here as well. To open the attached documents, on the right there's show document. If I click here, it will list the documents attached, and when I press enter on the one chosen, it will open. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more videos.